The next question word that we're going to work with is the question word me'efo. Me'efo. From where? Me'efo. And for that we will need to learn the verb latzet. Latzet in Hebrew is the verb to come out or to exit. So we know that lehikanes is to enter or to get in. Latzet is the opposite, to come out, to exit. And now let's see how do we conjugate the verb latzet in the present tense. To come out, to exit in the present tense. Latzet. 4 conjugations. Masculine singular. Ani yotze. Ata yotze. Hu yotze. Feminine singular. Ani yotzet. At yotzet. Hi yotzet. Masculine plural. Anachnu yotzim. Atem yotzim. Hem yotzim. Feminine plural. Anachnu yotzot. Aten yotzot. Hen yotzot. יוצא, יוצאת, יוצאים, יוצאות. The verb לצאת. So I hope you wrote down this verb and its conjugation in your notebooks, and we're going to see each other in the next one.